Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee. Welcome to my Bong Kitchen. When you think of Bangali style mangsho preparations, you think of kosha mangsho or mangsher jhol. But today I'm going to show you something different with a twist. Today I'm going to show you how to make doi mangsho. Cholun banate shuru kori doi mangsho. About 1/4 cup of mustard oil. Mustard oil should be heated up well before I start cooking, otherwise it will have a typical aroma. I'll tell you what I have done with the mutton here. I have taken mutton, I have pressure cooked it and I'm going to use that. Traditionally, when doi mangsho is made, this process is not followed. You have to slow cook the mutton for 1 hour or more till the mutton is tender. But everybody is in a hurry these days. मुझे तो बहुत जल्दी है. I have cheated and pressure cooked. I'm using that. But if you have the time, I would suggest you do the traditional way क्योंकि स्वाद बहुत अच्छा आता है उसमें. While the oil is heating up well, I'll make a paste. So in the mixer jar, I'll first put onions. Onions के बाद garlic. A teaspoon of adrak paste and melon seeds. Melon seeds give a nice body to the curry. You can also use cashew if you like. Add a little water for it to mix well. और मिक्सर में घुमा देना है इसको. I'll just take it out in a bowl and start making the curry. So my oil is hot, my paste is ready. I'm starting now. So first goes the aromatics. Tej patta, few cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. What happens when you put aromatics in oil? It's like perfume. It perfumes the whole curry well. What I'll do is I'll add the paste. There is no haldi powder in this. The dahi is white, the paste is white, so it won't have the normal curry look. So this has to be really bhunod well. Like in Bengali we say koshano. Koshano means you have to keep stirring so that the masala leaves the sides of the pan and oil is released. So I am going to do koshano or bhuno now till it's fully cooked and there is no kacha smell of the masala. I am going to add the mutton. So let this cook for some time. I'll close the lid. And this is doi mangsho. What is doi? Doi means yogurt. So I am going to make the yogurt in the mixie. As in, if you put dahi just like this in this stage, dahi phat jata hai. I don't want that to happen. So dahi mixie में अगर एक बार घुमा दूँ, this is actually a trick for your yogurt so that your yogurt doesn't split. फट ना जाए. You can, instead of the mixie, you can also whip it very well and use it. Same results. But I have noticed अगर मैं मिक्सी में एक बार घुमा देती हूँ इसको, तो कभी दही फटता नहीं. So let me open the lid and see what's happening here. Wow. That masala is well mixed with the mutton now. I'll add little mirchi powder. It's about 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. No haldi in this recipe though. And मेरा फेंटा हुआ दही. I'll keep reserve a little bit for garnishing on top later. I'll add 2 green chilies. I'll just break the tip so that it's not very hot. If you like your curries to be hot, break from the middle. It's almost done. Just few finishing touches and we will be good to go. 1 teaspoon ghee on top and some Bengali style garam masala. Bengali style garam masala is very different from the normal other garam masala. Some dhania leaves goes on top. धनिया डालते ही ये थोड़ा हरियाली आ जाता है. Looks pretty. And one last thing, you can omit this, but I prefer to add because in Calcutta when I've had this, they always add this. A little 1 or 2 drops of Keoda essence. Namak swadanusar and the Bengali essential, chini, sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, don't use. But I have seen my grandmother, my mother using it, I am using it. I think sugar balances all tastes and gives a caramelized look. Thoda sa dhania and I'm done. Doi mangsho is absolutely ready. One final flourish. जो दही हमने बचा कर रखा था, जस्ट ऊपर से थोड़ा गार्निश कर देंगे. Looks so pretty. And some dhania patta on top. And that's yummy doi mangsho for you. Just add a pinch of Bengali style garam masala on top. If you want to buy this authentic Bengali style garam masala, kindly log on to www.ananyabanerjee.com. About 1/4 cup of mustard oil, pressure cooked mutton. Make a paste in the mixer jar. I'll first put onion, garlic, a teaspoon of adrak paste and melon seeds. Add a little water और मिक्सर में घुमा देना है इसको. The aromatics, तेज पत्ता, few cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. I'll add the paste. Add the mutton. So let this cook for some time. I'll close the lid. Make the yogurt in the mixie. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, फेंटा हुआ दही. Add 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon ghee on top, Bengali style garam masala, some dhania leaves, 1 or 2 drops of Keoda essence, namak swadanusar, sugar, thoda sa dhania and done. One final flourish, dahi ऊपर से थोड़ा garnish कर देंगे and some dhania patta on top. Yummy doi mangsho for you. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Like করুন, comment করুন, share করুন আর দেখতে থাকুন অনন্যার বং কিচেন।